Let's walk through the SVGator interface. We'll start with creating a project, then explore each section of the editor so you know where to find the tools you need. From your dashboard, click New Project. From here, you can upload a file that you already have, or create a new one. Set your canvas dimensions. Choose a preset from the drop-down menu, or enter custom values, maintaining the proportion or not. When a rectangular shape is formed, the orientation option is available. Name your project and click Create. You're now in the editor. The interface has 5 main areas. The app header at the top contains tools and project controls. The left sidebar manages elements and assets. The canvas in the center is your workspace. The right sidebar handles properties, settings, and comments. The timeline at the bottom controls animation. Let's look at each section in detail. The app header contains your main tools. On the left part of the header, you can find the menu for file operations, undo and redo, and the project name. Click to rename it. In the center, you can find the design tools, selection, pen tool, shapes, and text. You'll also find the View Edit Mode drop-down menu at the center of the screen. On the right, we have canvas view controls, including zoom, fit to screen, and toggles for rulers, grid, guides, and snapping. The Elements list shows your layer hierarchy. Every object appears here in a tree structure. Click to select layers, drag to reorder them, and use the eye icon to toggle visibility. You can group layers, rename them, and lock them to prevent accidental edits. This keeps complex projects organized. The Assets library contains pre-made elements and your saved components. Browse by category or search for specific items. Click any asset to add it to your canvas. You can also save your own animated elements here for reuse across projects. Just give the animation's main group a specific name so you can find it easily later, and click Save to Library. From here, you can use the asset in any other project you want. The Properties panel shows settings for your selected element. Adjust fill and stroke colors, modify opacity, and blending modes, and control transform properties like position, rotation, and scale. The panel updates contextually based on what you've selected. Different elements show different properties. The timeline controls your animation. Each animated element gets its own track. The playhead shows your current position. Drag it to play your animation, or simply use the play button to preview. The timeline displays in seconds, and you can zoom in or out to see more or less detail. Add animators to elements from the Animators tab in the right sidebar. Properties like position, scale, rotation, or opacity. Each animator creates a track in the timeline. Just make a change with an animator active to automatically add a keyframe, or click the diamond icon to add a keyframe at the playhead position. Keyframes define specific values at specific times. Drag keyframes to adjust timing. Set your total animation duration at the top of the timeline. You can extend or shorten it as needed. The second markers on the timeline help you organize complex sequences. The loop button lets you preview your animation continuously, useful for checking seamless loops. Easing functions control how your animation moves between keyframes. Select a keyframe and choose an easing preset. Ease in, ease out, or linear. Each creates different motion feels. Ease in starts slow and accelerates. Ease out starts fast and decelerates. Ease in-out does both. Linear maintains constant speed. You can also create custom easing curves for precise control. Name them and reuse them on other keyframes from your project. You now know where everything lives. Create projects from the dashboard, design on the canvas, organize in the elements list, animate in the timeline, and refine with properties. Each section works together to give you complete control over your animations.